So you hold this down. Kind of depends. It depends on the ambient temperature. But roughly, I don't know. This is kind of summerish weather, so probably 10 to 15 seconds. Alright. A lot of times you'll see that thing down there start to lightly smoke. But anyways, it's been about 10 seconds. Let me see what happens here. There you go, guys. That thing has been setting since September. Doesn't it sound good? I don't really want to rev it up right now, but it's always been, ever since I fixed those glow plugs, it has been an easy starter.